Now, before I decided to do this, I should have actually tried to turn these things on. I don't even know whether they're both going to be charged. That's the power button here. That's the power button here. Oh wait, that's the power button here. Okay, that one came on. Let's check this out. Okay, we're good to go. Now let's see what's happening here. While this one boots, the top Don's taking a little bit of time to boot, but that's okay. Let's jump in here with the coeets, and I'm going to say that these girls are alive. I'm seeing put the laser on them here. Well, you know, I don't know. Am I looking at Celsius or Fahrenheit? I'm looking at Fahrenheit. And this doesn't look too promising. Let me get closer. And I'm getting 21 degrees here. This is not good. All right, first thing I'll do is I'll just kind of look at both of them. They're both this 23 degrees, 22.4 and 22.4. Okay, so I'm going to say that they're pretty much the same as far as what they can detect, but it's 26 degrees out, so if that's 22.4, how can it be alive? I do see a heat signature, but it's that's telling me 19.2 right there. There's no way. I do have some serious heat coming from the top up here, because that's 31. Okay, so I'm getting some like 31 degrees right there. Let me look up underneath here. Get on the side. Okay, I'm seeing 30.7. So I'm getting something here. It's not the best, but I'm getting something. Let's look at with the top Don and see what we have happening here. Both of them are fairly good. 24.5, 26, 25.6, 25.8, 28, 29. Okay, so we're in pretty good shape. This one's alive. Back here we've got 38. Okay, so if I get right in the handle here, it's 38 degrees. We're going to say that one's alive. Oh, that one's really alive. Okay. So that one I see 33 degrees. Let's try it with the old coeets. Right there. 32.8, 32.9, 33 degrees, 30.7. Okay, so that one's alive. We're gonna try this one here. Oh, this one's really alive. I can see heat signatures. Okay, so I'm seeing, I'm seeing 71 degrees on this hive, and this hive has got heat signatures all over it. Let's see if I can get this closer to you so that you can see this. I don't know whether it's going to pick it up from this far away. Now, from this far away, it's showing me that it's 20 degrees, but you can see that box is orange. I don't know whether you can see that or not. It's orange. Let's look at it with this one. Same thing. You can see the heat signature in there on that hive. Yeah, they're alive. Let's see what these girls are doing. This is a pretty robust hive right here. You're not going to be able to see this, but you'll be able to see me. I'll stand on this side. These girls are alive. I'm seeing a temperature on the outside of the box of 20.5, 30. Up near the top of the box is where the temperature's nice and warm here. Oh, that's 75, 72. So So this is 72 degrees right here. Let me feel it. Oh, I can actually feel it on the outside of the box. Yeah, that's a big colony in there. Let's see what this one's looking like. Okay, that one looks, that whole box is purple. I've got very little red, maybe a little bit right up here on the top. And that's showing me 20 degrees up here on the top. These girls may be in trouble. Let's try it with the top Don here. Oh yeah, that box is purple. Let's have a look. See if we can see it from behind the camera here. I don't know whether you can see this or not. Hold on a second. We're gonna have a look. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, there we go. Right in the center there, you can see that box. It is purple. Wait a second. There you go. You can see that box. That's a purple box. The one next to it's got some orange on it. It's saying 31.5 right now, but this one right here, it's got a little orange at the top, so I'm pretty certain that there's some bees alive in there, but I tell you what, they are not making the kind of heat signature I would like. Okay, now let's look at the bee castle. This one right here, this hive is a good sized hive. There's a big colony in there. Let's see if we can see anything. I don't know whether I can show you this or not. Okay. Yeah, there you go. You can see that hive has got a heat signature on the front. Yeah, it's only showing 18 degrees, but I'm awfully far away from that hive. We can tell that there's bees in there. Let's look at it with a top Don. Okay, the top Don is not as sensitive from this far away. It shows that there is some life in there, but it's not the best. I'm gonna get closer here and see what I can see. Okay, on this hive here, in the handle, I'm gonna shoot right there. Maybe if I can find the hive, there it is, right there. Right there, we're looking at 30 degrees. 61, 62, 64, okay. So this is 64 degrees right here. Let's try it with the coeets, which is much more sensitive. And it is, I say it's much more sensitive, but it's not picking up that heat signature. It's telling me it's 37 right there. I'll put this one back on there. Okay, that one is telling me, oh, what's that? Oh, it's looking at the top of it there. Yeah, that first one was a fluke. Okay, when I get closer, it gives me a better reading. Okay. They're alive. The hives that are going to be the hardest to read are going to be these. Tell you what, let me have a look here. Well, you know what? They look good. Okay, that one says 45 degrees. And that one says, that one's got to be wrong. Maybe this is not calibrated. That's saying 15. And that one's saying 45 right in that handle. I'm going with the top Don here. Let's see here, that one, 15.8, 16.7. Let me get closer. Not good. Maybe I'm not calibrated. Get closer with this one. Yeah, that's showing me 40 degrees right there in the handle. So we know that those hives are alive. I think I'm going to turn the coeets off. And I'm going to stick to the top Don here. All right. Let's see what we have happening here. That coeets was a little bit more sensitive. And it's very good inside the house, but I think the cold weather's giving it fits. Okay, let's have a look here. These 3 bee barns should all be alive. Let's just see what we can see right here. So that's looking at the first bee barn. It's alive. The top is orange. Top is orange there. And that one, top is orange. All right, we're gonna have a look at these. Now, I saw girls on the front of these hives yesterday. That one is definitely alive. Gosh, you can even see the orange on the big part of the bee barn right there, not just the top box. Oh, and my fingerprints are now on there. Lovely. All right. Yeah, those girls are alive. These girls are definitely alive. And these girls have a screen bottom board because the ground beneath them is very warm. Holy moly. And those girls are alive. Yeah, they're heating the ground up below them. All right, well, there you go, the end of another adventure. Now, I tell you what, this is a cold one, and I know this is a quick video, but as far as I can tell with these things, not the most reliable thing in the world, especially today. I don't know why. Maybe I need to calibrate it or something. I can tell when they're alive. I can see that they're orange, but the temperature readings really aren't making sense to me. And maybe it's just that cold out here. It is 26 degrees, so the outside of these boxes are cold. If I get nice and close to a hive, then that looks like the temperature reading is accurate. But if I'm far away, I can at least see that it's orange when the rest of everything around it is blue. So I know that the girls are alive. Now, I have two hives that I'm concerned with. One of my bee castle hives down here on the 2-hive bench, and that purple hive up there, they look a little bit sketch. I do see a heat signature. If I look from here, that hive is orange when the background is blue, so I know that it's alive, but it doesn't have a big heat signature. Maybe they're tucked away in the back of the box, and I should walk around the box and look at it that way. Maybe I'll do that when I'm done filming. But with all that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, I know it was a short one. It's December 22nd for me. For you, Christmas has already passed. I'm still preparing for Christmas, and it's going to be kind of hit or miss with my videos over the next couple of weeks because I'm spending time with my family the same as you are. You might turn on your YouTube and see me. If so, I'm just going to be smiling, waving, and saying hello, and hoping that you and your family are having a great holiday season, and that's what we're going to try to do. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up, and if you have something to say, by all means, please comment. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, do me a favor, take a moment, hit the subscribe button. Be a Bug Farmer subscriber in the new year. I would really appreciate that. But anyways, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell to be notified of my new content. I do try to drop a video every Friday, unless it's the holidays and it's going to be kind of hit or miss. But anyways, with all that said, be happy. And I will see you next week. Take care.